official statement from the International Research Council. For several months, scientists across the globe have been documenting an anomaly unlike anything seen in human history. It began as isolated reports, disturbing mutations in the structure of bones, teeth, and skin. At first, these cases were dismissed as rare deformities, genetic accidents, or simple errors. But new evidence has forced us to confront a terrifying truth. What you are seeing in these images is not fabricated, not an illusion. These grotesque bone formations and porous textures are real, and they are spreading. The number of cases is increasing at an exponential rate. In regions exposed to higher concentrations of cosmic dust, microscopic particles constantly falling from space, the mutations appear far more frequently. The pattern is undeniable. The human skeleton, once solid and smooth, is transforming into something porous, riddled with clusters of holes. Teeth, normally stable and strong, are becoming jagged, twisted, and fragile. The human face itself, in some individuals, collapses into a labyrinth of cavities and tunnels. Some experts argue this is simply a random mutation, but a growing consensus suggests otherwise. The porous structures follow symmetrical patterns, too precise to be accidental. They resemble designs found in marine organisms, deep-sea creatures, and even ancient fossilized species once believed to be extinct. We may be facing the possibility that humanity itself is changing, not slowly, as evolution normally occurs, but rapidly, violently, and in response to something external. Cosmic radiation, a pathogen hidden within the dust of comets, or an unknown intelligence rewriting us from within. The public must understand. This is no longer confined to laboratories or scientific papers. Reports are spreading. Families are contacting hospitals. Children are being born with faint, porous textures on their skin. Small clusters of holes that widen as they grow. What will we look like in 10 years? In 50? Will the human face still resemble what we recognize today? Or will we become beings of bone and holes? Our very biology rewritten by forces we cannot control. And what we are observing now is only the beginning. Laboratories are reporting cases where porous structures are appearing not only on bones, but also within vital organs. Lungs with cavities resembling honeycombs. Livers transformed into networks of holes. And yet these individuals continue to live. It is as if the human body is seeking a new balance, a new way to function, a new direction. Studies of cosmic dust have revealed traces of unknown organic structures. Some exhibit properties similar to DNA, but with alien codes we cannot decipher. The hypothesis that this is not accidental, but rather a deliberate transformation, is gaining ground. If this is true, then we may not be witnessing a random mutation at all. We may be witnessing the arrival of a new phase of human existence, evolution directed from beyond. The question we must now ask is simple. Is this a warning or an invitation? Is it the end of humanity as we know it, or the beginning of something that surpasses us? This is our warning. Watch carefully. Question everything. Protect yourself from unnecessary exposure to dust, soil, and microscopic particles that now fall from the skies. But above all, be prepared. Humanity may already be standing at the threshold of its next and most disturbing form. End of statement. Jagged.